Hello and welcome to day 10 of our 14-day challenge. I'm really happy to spend some time with you all. I hope you're enjoying the program so far. And in today's video, we're going to go over another wonderful, awesome test that you can try right at your own home to test your own agility and balance. And you really don't need anything special for this test, guys. All you need is a chair and some type of object that is measured 8 feet away from your chair, okay? Make sure you're doing this in a space that's safe, that you don't have too many objects around that you might trip on. What I want is a nice open area with a chair and some type of object. I'm going to be using this orange cone that you can see in the corner of your screen as my object, okay? It's measured 8 feet apart, and what I want you to do is I want you to sit down in a chair, preferably one that doesn't have armrests, but if that's all you have, that's still okay, all right? So what I want us to do is we're going to be sitting down in our chair, okay? And I'm going to be having a timer. Now you can use your phone or any other type of timer that you might have. And what I want you to do is I want you to, when you press go on your timer, you're going to stand up. You're going to safely but quickly walk around the object, come back and sit back down, and then you're going to turn your timer off. Okay? So the object of this test is to quickly but safely get up from your chair without trying to push off your legs. Get up from the chair, walk around the object. You can't walk to it and walk back. You have to pivot around and then sit back down in the chair and see how long that takes you. So what I want you to do is I want you to give that test a shot. You can give yourself 2 tries to do it. The first one is always a little bit harder, but once you get the idea, the second one usually comes out a little bit better. Give that test a shot. Email me back your results, okay? So if it takes you 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or if you couldn't do it, I want to know how well you did. And that way we can kind of alter some things as we move forward. And then when you move on to your own program, you'll know where you kind of stand. Okay, so give that test a shot. Let me know how well you're able to do. Don't forget to do the homework down below. We only got a couple more days left, so let's hang in there. And if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to email me right after this video, okay? And you want to stay tuned for a video that's coming out tomorrow because that's going to be another wonderful test that you won't want to miss. Have a good one.